I'm chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. Back in the day, Potts Farm was a place to go. Load the truck up, hit the dirt road, jump the barbed wire, spread the word, light the bonfire and call the girls. King in the can and the Marlboro man, Jack and Jim were a few good men where you learn how to kiss and cuss and fight too. Better watch out for the boys in blue and all this small town he said, she said. Ain't it funny how rumors spread like I know something y'all don't know? Man, that talk is getting old. You better mind your business, man, watch your mouth before I have to knock that loud mouth out. I'm tired of talking, man, y'all ain't listening. Them old dirt roads is what y'all miss. I'm chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. I sit back and think about them good old days, the way we were raising our southern ways. And we like cornbread and biscuits, and if it's broke around here, we fix it. I can take y'all where you need to go, down to my hood, back in them woods. We do it different round here, that's right, but we sure do it good, and we do it all night. So if you really want to know how it feels to get off the road, trucks and four wheels, jump on in, and man, tell your friends we'll raise some hell with a blacktop in. I'm chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. Chillin' on a dirt road, laid back swerving like I'm George Jones. Smoke rolling out the window and ice cold beer sitting in the console. Memory lane up in the headlights, it's got me reminiscing on them good times. I'm turning off a real life driving, that's right, I'm hitting easy street on mud tires. That's right. He gets up before the dawn, packs a lunch and a thermos full of coffee. It's another day in the dusty haze, those burning rays are wearing down his body. The diesel's worth the price of gold, it's the cheapest grain he's ever sold, but he's still holding on. He just takes the tractor another round and pulls a plow across the ground and sends up another prayer. He says, Lord, I never complain, I never ask why. Please don't let my dreams run dry. Underneath this Amarillo sky. Hailstorm back in '83 sure did take a toll on his family. But he stayed strong and carried on, his dad and granddad did before him. On his knees every night he prays, please let my crops and children grow, 'cause that's all he's ever known. He just takes the tractor another round and pulls the plow across the ground and sends up another prayer. He says, Lord, I never complain, I never ask why. Please don't let my dreams run dry. Underneath this Amarillo sky. And he takes the tractor another round, another round, another round. And he takes the tractor another round, another round. He says, I never complain, I never ask why. Please don't let my dreams run dry. Underneath this Amarillo sky. Underneath this Amarillo
46. You almost hit a deer and you end up in a ditch. You can't pull forward and you can't back out. You're sitting there thinking what you gonna do now. You'd be a little nervous if the cops showed up, cause you drank a little, maybe just a little too much. Waiting on a tow truck takes too long. It's 2 in the morning. Who you gonna call? Friends, damn good friends. 7 minutes later they're pulling you out. You know the ones I'm talking about. Friends, damn good friends. You can count them all on one of your hands. You got 100 buddies, a couple of damn good friends.
So you all shooting pool on a Saturday night. This little brunette keeps giving you the eye, so you buy her a drink. Before too long, you're out on the floor in the middle of a song. About that time, Rex shows up. He's staring you down, getting all bowled up. He's a big old jacked up SOB.
That's alright, he's about to meet your friends. Damn good friends.
Seconds later, he's starting to see it ain't 1-on-1, it's 1-on-3. Friends, damn good friends. They do it for you, cause you do it for them. You got 100 buddies and a couple of damn good friends.
Don't see him as much, cause you moved away or you fell in love. But the winter tucks when you're saying your vows.
And if you crash and burn, you can crash on the couch. Friends, damn good friends.
They love you like a brother, there ain't no doubt.
You know the ones I'm talking about. Friends, damn good friends.
You can count them all on one of your hands. You got 100 buddies
and a couple of damn good friends.
Oh, damn good friends. There ain't nothing out here but dogs in the yard and a couple John Deeres, some falling down barns. Yeah, it's pretty damn clear, like lightning in a jar. If you passed it on the interstate, I bet you'd say there ain't nothing out here. There ain't a skyline if you seen it from a Learjet. I bet you'd ask why anybody down there would wanna live and die somewhere. You gotta be lost to go, but they don't know. We alright, but that out of touch label, turn that dirt into what's on the table. And we don't need no shiny good time. We're fine with a county line, kinda cold beer. Keep those dust covered rusty trucks running. You kissed on the bus, now you're raising up youngins. All you're gonna find winding through the country, it's the middle of nowhere. Folks making something out of nothing out here. Yeah, it ain't nothing out here to wake up with the sun, throw your getter done and gear. Don't quit until it's done. Thank the man upstairs that gave you what you got. May not look like a lot outside looking in, oh, but then again, we alright with that out of touch label. Turn that dirt into what's on the table. We don't need no shiny good time. We're fine with a county line, kinda cold beer. Keep those dust covered rusty trucks running. You kissed on the bus, now you're raising up youngins. All you gonna find with that out of touch label.
We turn that dirt into what's on the table.
We don't need no shiny good time. We're fine with a county line, kinda cold beer. Keep those dust covered rusty trucks running. You kissed on the bus, now you're raising up youngins. All you're gonna find winding through the country. It's the middle of nowhere, folks making something out of nothing out here. Woo!
Something out of nothing out here. Oh, making something out of nothing out here.